Good morning. Where are we going?
We're going to Cannon Beach.
We are. We are going to Cannon Beach for the week to enjoy a little bit of a relaxing getaway time. We're headed there with my parents. We are currently at the ferry terminal.
Ferry terminal, waiting for the boat.
And then we're going to go to Forks, which is where Twilight was filmed. I'm really not excited. So we are just leaving the inner harbor right now, and as you can see, this is downtown Victoria. It's quite beautiful. It is a little chilly today, so I think we're on the ferry for about 90 minutes, and then we'll head down the 101 towards Cannon Beach.